E-commerce businesses and the increase in online shopping have opened doors for everyone to start an online Shopify store. Knowing the current trending products gives you a plus point to growing a successful business. Hey there! Welcome back to Exodus Capital. In today's video, we have something exciting to share with all the aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs out there. Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 products you should consider selling in your e-commerce business. These products are not only in high demand, but also have the potential to boost your sales and skyrocket your success. Be sure to stick around till the end to learn about the top 5 products. But before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the criteria we use to select these products. As you may know, the success of any online venture heavily depends on the products you offer. When it comes to selecting the best products to sell in your e-commerce business, 4 key criteria to keep in mind when evaluating products are profitability, demand, competition, and scalability. Let's start with our first product, personal care and beauty products. It encompasses a wide range of items such as skincare products, makeup, hair care products, fragrances, and grooming essentials. These products enhance personal hygiene, improve appearance, and boost self-confidence. They come in various forms, including creams, lotions, serums, cosmetics, and grooming tools. People of all ages and genders invest in personal care and beauty products to maintain their appearance and enhance their self-esteem. This broad customer base ensures a larger target audience for your e-commerce business. Customers often repurchase their favorite skincare items, cosmetics, and grooming products, resulting in customer loyalty and consistent sales. Talking about market trends of the personal care and beauty industry, they have seen remarkable growth and ongoing trends that support the popularity of these products. There is a rising demand for clean and natural beauty products made with organic, sustainable, and cruelty-free ingredients. Customers are increasingly conscious of what they put on their skin and hair, leading to the popularity of products that offer natural and eco-friendly formulations.